Hey everybody, it's about 2 o'clock and I'm about to make Laura's coffee, so I'm going to show you how I make her coffee every day. She likes an Arabic style coffee, so what that means is I'll be using some fresh cardamom and some saffron a friend of ours next door has given us, so I'm going to show you how I do this. And compliments of Laura playing the background music while I make this. Alright, so we're going to start off. She likes a half calf, so I'm going to do 5.5 grams of decaf. And this is a Yirgacheffe. Alright, there's that. I'm going to do 5.5 grams of a Honduras. Five and a half and 5.5 equal 11. That's how many grams we need for an Aeropress. Alright, so little trick, if you guys don't know it, is to spray your beans with water so that when you put them in the grinder, they congregate together. Alright, so I'm gonna Alright, the next step is to crush up the cardamom. And then some of this lovely stuff here. I do about 4 of these in the Aeropress. 4 and 4, it's easy to remember, right? Okay, give me a second, I'm just gonna put away some of the items I'm not using. Saffron away, spray away. Alright, got our coffee. Might be a little messier today because I've got this camera on my hat. You can't really see what I'm doing. Clean up a little bit here. Alright. We need 200 grams of water. And this is the Zoji Rushi hot water heater, so there's always hot water ready to go for tea or coffee. And I'm setting my watch for 2 minutes. Alright, and then we just wait. You don't do that for 2 minutes, right? I am gonna cut this part. I'm not gonna wait for 2 minutes. Alright, it's been 2 minutes. I'm gonna stir the Aeropress, and we're gonna wait 30 more seconds. Supposedly improves the flavor a lot. This is why I actually always wear a watch, besides for work, just to help with the timing of everything. Alright, it's been 30 seconds, and I'm going to give it the slowest push I can. Alright, almost done here. Alright. Laura's coffee is completed. Here you go, Laura. Enjoy.
That's what I need for my practice.
Hope you guys have a great day.